Hello, Jane Cleland here. I want to give you 5 reasons why you should attend my full-day pre-con in-person workshop associated with the Malice Domestic Conference. The date is April 24th, 2025. That's the Thursday before Malice begins in Bethesda, Maryland. Reason number 1, it's hands-on. I've organized it so I'm going to give a little lecturette, a lesson, information, some things to think about. Then we'll have an exercise. And then we'll debrief. We'll talk about what worked, what didn't, what might you try next time. Number 2, I wrote the book on the topic. Mastering Suspense, Structure, and Plot. That's the name of the workshop. That's the name of the book. It's been a bestseller for years. Number 3, the book was recommended by luminaries in our field. It is recommended by Louise, who called it a goldmine of information, Dan Brown, David Baldacci, and many, many others. They know their stuff. Number 4, I'm a very good workshop facilitator. I sort of pride myself on being the content queen. Nothing fluffy. This is content-rich, nuts and bolts, work you'll be able to leave and apply to your own projects right away. And number 5, I think you'll find it fun and inspirational. I have built a writing community, janecleland.com. I hope you'll check out my website, see all the things we do and we're offering. And that would give you a really good picture of the kind of teacher I am, the kind of person I am. And I certainly look forward to working with you. I hope to see you there.